So, welcome back again sa aming YouTube channel. Pag-usapan po natin itong bagong pathway na ilo-launch po sa susunod na buwan. So, who is eligible through these new pathways? So, to be eligible for this new enhanced care worker pilots for foreign national, you must have, number one po, you must have an official language ability equivalent to level 4. Based on the Canadian language benchmark, which is we call CLB. So number 2, so you hold the equivalent of Canadian high school diploma. Number 3, have a recent and relevant work experience. And number 4, pinaka-importante po, you should have received an offer of full-time employment for home care job. So dapat meron na kayong employer. So, yeah guys, you may find employer sa jobbank.gc.ca din po. Also, may agency sa Canada na pwede yun mong itry, which is the Diamond Personnel and Nani.ca. Try nyo lang po and then malay mo makakuha kayo ng eligible na employer na pwede mag-hire sa inyo. And once you have the job offer, you'll be able to apply for permanent residence. And you only need 6 months, guys. 6 months of eligible work experience to qualify for permanent residence application. Also, this program for the home child care provider pilot and home support worker pilot, this were divided into application categories. 2 categories po. Please take note po natin and follow the guidelines kung paano para hindi po bumalik yung inyong application. So number 1, yung unang category is yung gaining experience category. This is for applicants who never worked full-time as a caregiver or you did not have enough work experience to qualify for the permanent residence. So yung pangalawa naman pong category, yan po yung the direct to permanent residency category. So this is for applicants and also their family members who have already had enough work experience to qualify for the permanent residence. Please take note that Canada also announced that in this year 2025 through 2027, the immigration level plans, yung na-vlog ko nakaraan, IRCC will have to divide this 10,920 new immigration admission for 2025.